In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to find the perfect keywords for your t-shirt niche. Whether you're venturing into selling funny cat shirts or offering a collection of vintage tees, finding the right keywords can significantly boost your search engine visibility and ultimately your sales. So, let's dive into the process together. First, you're going to want to log into your Ubersuggest account. If you're not already familiar with Ubersuggest, it's a fantastic tool that offers insights into the SEO landscape, helping you identify keywords that can drive traffic to your site. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and navigate to the Keyword Ideas section. This is where all the magic happens. Now think about a broad keyword related to your t-shirt niche. You might consider something like funny cat shirt if you're catering to feline enthusiasts, or vintage t-shirt if your collection has a retro vibe. Type this keyword into the search bar and hit enter. What Ubersuggest does next is truly powerful. It delivers a plethora of keyword suggestions directly related to your input. The goal here is to analyze these results with a strategic eye. You'll want to focus on keywords that have a low to moderate SEO difficulty score, ideally under 35. This score measures how challenging it is to rank for that keyword. Lower scores typically mean these keywords are easier to target, which is great news for gaining visibility without excessive competition. While assessing these keywords, also pay attention to the search volume. Keywords with a decent search volume indicate that there are people actively searching for these terms, offering the potential for significant traffic. Additionally, a great tip is to explore keywords listed under the related, questions, and comparisons sections. Keywords here provide opportunities for contextual use within your content, addressing specific queries or comparisons that users may be searching for. Now that you've identified some promising keywords, it's vital to keep track of them. Ubersuggest makes this easy with its keyword list feature. You'll find an Add to List button alongside every keyword. Use this to save your selected keywords to either a new or an existing list. This function keeps your research organized and easily accessible for when you're ready to craft your t-shirt descriptions or blog posts. By following these steps, you're setting up a robust foundation for your SEO strategy, ensuring your t-shirts get the attention they deserve in this bustling digital marketplace. Remember, consistent application of these keyword searches and analysis can lead to better ranking and more organic traffic over time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to finding the perfect keywords for your t-shirt niche.